CJ missed his bus. So currently I have time to actually come in here and do a market analysis for you guys. So let's jump in. How do I get this small again? It's the worst thing about doing all of this on just a regular, cook that. The worst thing about doing this on a laptop is just the fact that I know like TJR and stuff when they do it on their MacBook or their big PC thing, they can actually completely adjust the size and shit. What's good? How are your eyes? Oh, so fucking gnarly, eh? It's no good. Okay, so coming into today, the only sort of news we've even got to consider is this USD bank holiday. Obviously, that is not going to impact you lads in the Asian session. Dropping into some actual chart work, all I want to see, these were sort of my market analysis that I want to see coming into the week. So obviously targeting that weekly high on GU. We actually just broke structure on the weekly time frame. That one's looking really good. And so is GJ. I sort of want to see shorts. Geez, a little bit of an essay for you lads, but that was just sort of what I was doing over the weekend, was analyzing where I think we are going to come to, and it actually looks like we've opened up completely disgusting. So a very valid call to just not trade this session, if I'm being honest. We do have good draws to the upside. I'll give you my weekly bias actually, because that'll probably help you a bit more. Can I go back far enough? Yeah, here we go. Okay. So coming into the week, I am looking at this, and we've swept these weekly lows. So last week we've actually reacted off of these weekly lows, and coming into today, we've just broken structure, or not broken structure, but we've inversed all of these bearish fair value gaps, which clearly indicates that we are going to want to move higher, because we've completely disrespected bearish order flow on the daily sort of time frame. So coming into the week, I'm looking for our next sort of bullish draw on the weekly time frame, and that's just going to be these highs here. I mean, if you just look at this, we've got good generated buy side liquidity. Oh, get off there. Like that, it's looking really nice. And then if you drop down onto a daily time frame, we've had our confirmation. Now all I really need to see is some sort of retracement and then a reaction. And that was if I was trading this like regularly. Obviously this is just my bias. So for the week today, I'd probably be ideally looking for shorts, because these are our nearest draws on sort of anything. Is either going to be this high up here. We did have an SMT up there between EJ and GJ, just there as well. Same sort of thing happened on EJ as well. We actually ended up breaking structure on the daily time frame, I believe. No, we didn't. Once again, just inverse those two value gaps, disrespecting bearish order flow, and therefore confirming that we are going to move higher. So it's going to be an interesting week. I think that price action could definitely be really solid. Coming over onto GU, I was sort of just looking for the same things, and obviously wanting to keep all those three pairs in confluence with each other. It's actually looking really good, and I think we're going to get some good price action for the week ahead. GJ today, I hate to break it to you boys, but I do not think you're going to get any sort of trades. We've got good sell side liquidity, and we've also got good buy side liquidity. Obviously I'm going to have a short bias just with my weekly bias in play. Yeah, so I say these would be your lows you can target. You've probably got this imbalance here to think about. Potentially we could see a move up, rejection off of this, but once again, it's only going to be a sort of 20 pip movement. It's kind of iffy, and we've already come down really close to this hourly low on the 5 minute time frame. It actually looks like we've just inversed that fair value gap. So it is potential we come up, sort of take out maybe these three buy side liquidity marks here, and then that's probably what I'd be looking for today, is a long up into here, and then a rejection off of this 1 hour fair value gap, coming down, taking out one low, two low, and 3, 4. that would be sort of what I'm looking at today, but just going to have to leave it because we are sitting in a terrible position, to be fair. Nice to see no open gap from the week, but nonetheless, it's just not looking ideal. So I'm going to go play tennis. Hope that helps you out. Good luck in the charts. Love all you. Peace. And also, shout out to my guy. Where is he? Hang on. 1 second, I gotta find this. This guy has been keeping me accountable for not posting, which you need these people every once in a while. Work on your psychology more. Key capital, dickhead. Bryson Harwick, make sure to give us updates about when you will be posting again. You better be seeing this video, Bryson, and you better be commenting as well and giving it a like, because you've been the reason that I was even coming on here to do a market analysis, because I saw your thing just as I was running out the door. But anyways, love, good luck in the charts, and I'll see you later for the London session. Ciao.